Hello friends, welcome back to Thanda YouTube channel. Firstly, I would like to congratulate every student who qualified for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Many congratulations all of you. You worked hard for months and maybe even years. You have sacrificed your comfort, spent countless hours studying, faced pressure and stress, and finally you have achieved important milestone. Okay, but friends, I would like to tell you something very important, that your journey does not end with JEE results. In fact, another crucial phase of your journey starts now or begins now, and that phase is called JoSAA counseling. And many students think that my rank has come, now I will definitely get a college. But but that reality is little different, my friends. Every year thousands of students lose their seat, good seats, not because of poor rank but because of mistakes during counseling, especially during counseling. A wrong choice, a deadline missed, expired certificate, or misunderstanding about freeze, float, or slide options. Sometimes a single mistake can cost a student's their dream college. Okay, friends, I know this because I have personally gone through this same process. I have faced same confusions. I had same doubts. I have asked the same questions that many of you are asking today. Which college should I go choose? Which branch is better? Which college should I which join, or should I fill according to my rank? Which college I might get? How much fee I have need to pay? Should I choose freeze, float, or slide option? How would I know? Because I have an experience of all of this myself, and over the years I have also helped many students successfully navigating all the counseling processes. That is why I have decided to start a complete JoSAA counseling series in uh, uh, JoSAA series on Thanda YouTube channel. Okay, my goal is very simple. I do not want to any student, especially from all rural areas, villages, all people should not lose their valuable seat just because of lack of information. Knowledge should not be never be the reason for someone misses the opportunity. Maybe because the limited knowledge, what I mean to say is the limited knowledge, the knowledge they don't have for the counseling, they should not lose the seat at all. And through this series, I want to make sure every student makes informed decisions. In this counseling day, coming days, I will explain something step by step to you, especially what is JoSAA counseling, registration process, choice filling strategy, IITs versus NITs versus IIITs, and branch and college decisions, freeze, float, slide options, seat allotment processor, category certificates, and OBC, NCL, and EWS certificate validity, home state quota, seat allotment fees, requirement documents, and CSAP counseling. What is the CSAP counseling? There is another counseling that is there. I will explain at that point of time. And also common mistakes the people will do in the counseling and they will lose their seat. That also I will mention. And whether rank is according to rank, which branch you might get, that also I will explain. Okay, and before counseling begins, I would advise each and every student be equipped and keep yourself Aadhaar card with updated your phone number, so that you will get the OTPs at the right time, and also class 10th mark sheet, class 12 mark sheet, and JEE Mains Advanced scorecard, JEE Main scorecard, category certificates if it is applicable for you, and also income certificate if it is applicable for you, and passport size photos, and mobile number, and one fixed email ID. All of these things I would highly recommend you to keep with you, so that you will not miss any of this. While the and medical certificate are also there, I will also tell you about that, and other certificates are there. I will tell you each and everything very nicely, don't worry, be at peace. Okay, in coming videos I will make those. Okay, and finally I want to say one thing: you are not alone in this journey. I have been through the process myself, because I am a student from NIT Calicut and IIT Indore. I did my BTech from NIT Calicut, and I did my MTech from IIT Indore. So I've been through this journey, and I have helped others also for their JoSAA counseling. So don't worry. And I understand the confusions, the pressures, and the uncertainties. That is why I am here to guide you and support you throughout this counseling series. If you have any doubts, do not hesitate to comment in the comment section, and I will try my best to answer in the future videos. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Thanda Pathashala and share this video with your friends, classmates, cousins, and anyone who is participating in the JoSAA counseling this year, because one correct piece of information can change their someone's life. So remember this: a good rank is important, but proper counseling is equally important. A good rank without good counseling can lead you or missed opportunities. A smart counseling strategy can help you to get a possible college and a branch according to your good rank. Otherwise, you might lose the good seat, good college. So thank you for watching. See you in the next episodes of JoSAA Counseling series. And until then, take care, keep learning, and keep moving forward. This is Dharawat Venkatesh signing off.